They're off in the Saratoga Dew. Flip Cop came out well. Hot Stones goes up and after the lead from that far outside post. And these two have the most early speed into the turn. And up the rail is Carry Me Away, who squeezes on through to take up the running and take the early lead. After that comes Say Three Hail Marys, who's fourth in the early stages and guided to the inside to save ground into the turn. Smitten by Gold goes up there 3 wide, and then it's back to Star Grazing, JC's American Dream, and 6 lengths more back to Storied Lady and Tahoe Tigress. 23-3 was the first quarter as the field races up the backstretch. And there goes Hot Stones to stick a neck in front. Carry Me Away is down on the inside. These two going at it on the lead. Smitten by Gold 2 lengths off of them. Say Three Hail Marys fourth on the inside. And then it's Flip Cup and Star Grazing. JC's American Dream 6 lengths off the lead after a 47 1/2 mile. Storied Lady and the trailer Tahoe Tigress have been outrun so far. There's a 1/2 mile to go. And there's Hot Stones to catch. Hot Stones shakes away now. Carry Me Away is dropped back 2 lengths from her. Smitten by Gold is getting going now, and she's storming into second on the far turn. And Smitten by Gold is getting closer to Hot Stones as they approach the quarter pole. Star Grazing is picking up her stride on the far outside. And then it's Flip Cup, and they're coming to the top of the stretch. Hot Stones is the leader. 3/4 in 1:11-2, and Hot Stones is opened up to lead by 3. And then it's Smitten by Gold, who's now full out in second. Star Grazing is third. And down toward the inside, it's Say Three Hail Marys. And then comes Flip Cup and the others. But it's a 1-horse race. And it's Hot Stones. Hot Stones romps home. Very sharp in the Saratoga Dew. Dead tight for a second there between Star Grazing and Flip Cup. And then came Smitten by Gold and Say Three Hail Marys.